So hey everybody, today I'm gonna show you a really quick, nice dinner or something. You can cook it. Let's try this out. I show you how fast we can cook. I need to explain this. Okay, so sorry, just wait for a second. I need my gloves. Gloves are here. This is a very simple recipe that you can cook in under 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes. So your right setup. Okay, so we need 1 tomato. We can take a big one there, that's not a problem. You can choose. Please use only big ones. And then you go for it. This one we don't need. Go for this thickness. It's okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So okay. Just now. No, we don't need the salt. Just now we do it in the air fryer. Set the air fryer on 190. Do this in your air fryer. This tomatoes. Yes, I think that's still okay. So when you have this, put your two fish. Put it out, do it on this. So what you need now is a gable. Do this simple. Look at this. Look at this. That's quick, easy. Take it on your tomatoes. Ooh. Do this on your tomatoes. So you don't need to do anything. Look at this. How fast. How fast, easy, simple, good, health food. You can do it. So, and for this, take this in the air fryer. Do it for around about 10 minutes. So, yeah, you just need to clean your room. Clean always your room. Clean your room. Don't rest. You have no time. When you have no time, you have to do fast. Quick and fast. And then you have a good management, my friend. So the next step is a trick. It's a trick from my grandmother. Look at this. Put your eggs outside. Put your eggs outside to go fast, because the air fryer is running. Yeah, this looks better. Nice. Okay, so this is my homemade trick. You take this one, do it in your microwave, put it on, and do it for 40 seconds. Look at this. Microwave is working. This is still going on. Oh, nice light. Okay. Okay guys. Just wait. I hope this video I can go uncut. My English, I don't know. My practice all is going out of my mind. I don't know why. This was one plop from the microwave. And 2 plops. And 3 plops. I think it's finished. Look at this. Your egg is ready. Your egg is ready. So we just can do it outside. No, we can't do it outside. Okay, no problem. So look for the two-fish tomato. Do this outside. Yeah, we need that. We need to do this outside. Just take it. Do this. Do this. Look. So now get a little piece of salt, a little piece of, oh, what's up with my pepper? I do a little bit of chili vanilla. So and then I apply a little parsley. So we can try this parsley here. Something. When you want it to have it nice, get your knife. And make it nice. Finish it. This is one way to do really quick and easy food. So sorry guys, I forgot to give you the experience when I eat this. Yeah, look at this. It's coming out. It's coming out. Do a little piece of egg. Do it on this place. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Okay. I swear that's true. And it's really good. And next time I show you more about this to making fish with tomatoes and eggs, because you have so much variations what you can do. It's not the only way. You can do some salad. Do some more fresh. Yeah, I show you guys. I hope you enjoy.